The Great Depression was one of the most difficult periods in modern history. But in the midst of hardship, people developed incredible skills that helped them survive and even thrive. Today, many of those same skills are making a comeback, and for good reason. They remind us that resilience, creativity, and resourcefulness never go out of style. Here are 10 Great Depression-era skills that remain incredibly relevant and useful today. 1. Gardening for food. During the Great Depression, victory gardens became a crucial source of food security. Families grew vegetables, fruits, and herbs to supplement their meals and reduce grocery expenses. Gardening taught patience, self-reliance, and the value of hard work. Today, it's still one of the most rewarding frugal habits. Beyond saving money, home gardening provides access to fresh, organic produce while promoting mental health and sustainability. Whether you have a backyard or just a few pots on your balcony, cultivating your own food connects you to a simpler, more resourceful way of living. 2. Cooking from scratch. Prepackaged food was a rare luxury during the Depression, so families learned to create meals from simple, inexpensive ingredients. Making bread, soup, and hearty stews from scratch became a survival skill and a bonding activity. Today, cooking from scratch remains one of the best ways to eat healthy and save money. It reduces dependency on processed foods, minimizes waste, and encourages creativity in the kitchen. With a little planning, you can turn basic pantry staples into nourishing meals that taste better and cost a fraction of takeout or pre-made groceries. 3. Mending and repairing. Throwing things away wasn't an option during the 1930s. Depression-era families patched worn clothes, fixed shoes, and repaired broken household items rather than replacing them. This mindset of maintenance over replacement saved countless dollars and extended the life of belongings. Today, mending is making a comeback as people reject fast fashion and waste. Learning to sew on a button, fix a hem, or repair a small appliance can save hundreds each year while reducing landfill waste. The satisfaction of reviving something old instead of discarding it is a timeless reward. 4. Canning and preserving. Preserving food was vital for survival during harsh winters when fresh produce was scarce. Families canned fruits, vegetables, and meats to ensure nothing went to waste. This simple yet powerful skill is regaining popularity today, not just for cost savings but also for food quality and control over ingredients. Modern home canning helps reduce packaging waste and supports a self-sufficient lifestyle. Whether it's making homemade jams, pickles, or sauces, this skill allows you to enjoy seasonal foods year-round and keeps your pantry stocked with wholesome, affordable options. 5. Bartering and trading. When money was hard to come by, neighbors exchanged goods and services instead. A dozen eggs might buy a sewing repair, or chopped firewood could be traded for a loaf of bread. Bartering created strong community ties and helped families get what they needed without spending cash. Today, bartering has evolved into online swap groups, local trade markets, and skill exchanges. Whether you're trading homegrown produce or offering graphic design in return for handyman work, bartering remains a creative and practical way to save money and build community connections. 6. DIY home and auto repairs. Professional help was often unaffordable during the Great Depression, so people learned to fix things themselves. From patching roofs to repairing engines, self-taught handymen and women became household heroes. Today, with access to free tutorials and DIY forums, there's no excuse for ignoring this skill. Simple maintenance, like unclogging a drain, painting a wall, or changing your car's oil, can save hundreds of dollars annually. Beyond saving money, DIY projects build confidence and independence. The satisfaction of solving a problem with your own hands never goes out of style. 7. Frugal budgeting. During the 1930s, families tracked every penny. They separated needs from wants and learned to make careful spending choices. This discipline remains essential today, especially during uncertain economic times. Creating a realistic budget helps you see where your money goes and prevents overspending. Depression-era households used envelopes or jars to manage categories like food, rent, and clothing, a simple system that still works today. Modern apps make it easier, but the principle is the same: knowing your limits, cutting waste, and making your money stretch further than ever before. 8. Making do with what you have. Use it up, wear it out, make it do or do without. This famous Depression-era motto captures the essence of frugality. Instead of constantly buying new things, families learned to repurpose, repair, and creatively stretch what they already had. Old clothes became quilts, jars turned into storage, and leftovers transformed into new meals. In a world obsessed with convenience and consumption, this mindset feels more relevant than ever. Embracing resourcefulness reduces waste, saves money, and helps us appreciate the value of every item we own. 9. Home remedies and natural cleaning. Without access to expensive medicine or store-bought cleaners, Depression-era households relied on natural solutions. Vinegar, baking soda, and lemon were used to clean everything from windows to laundry. Honey soothed sore throats, while herbs and teas were trusted for common ailments. Many of these traditional remedies are still effective and far cheaper than modern alternatives. Today, making your own cleaning and wellness products cuts costs and eliminates harsh chemicals. These old-fashioned practices remind us that simplicity and natural ingredients can often do the job just as well, if not better. 10. Community and mutual support. Perhaps the most valuable lesson from the Great Depression was the power of community. When times were tough, neighbors helped neighbors, sharing food, offering childcare, and looking out for one another. This spirit of unity turned hardship into hope. Today, with rising costs and global uncertainty, that same sense of togetherness is just as important. Building relationships, joining local groups, and offering mutual support strengthens everyone. Helping one another, whether through shared meals, advice, or simple kindness, is a timeless skill that enriches both heart and home. In today's world, building strong, supportive communities is just as important, if not more. The Great Depression taught our ancestors how to survive with less and live with more gratitude, creativity, and resilience. These skills aren't just relics of the past. They're timeless tools for a better, simpler, and more sustainable life. Which one will you try first?